In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 2900 series printer with the Chromebook. To do the setup, first we have to connect the printer with the Wi-Fi network. You can use your laptop, MacBook or smartphone to do the wireless setup. Go to the printer control panel. Press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button and release it after 3 seconds. The power light will flash once and then the wireless light will start to flash. That means printer is in the setup mode. Now go to your smartphone. You can also use your MacBook, laptop, and you can do the setup from there. Open the HP app. You can download this app from the App Store. That's the HP. To add the printer, click on the Add Device. Select Launch Setup. Select HP DeskJet 2900 series. Click Yes. Make sure your mobile is already connected to the home Wi-Fi network. It will display the Wi-Fi network. Click Next. Setup is complete. Click Done. Press the flashing eye button on the printer control panel. Accept printing privacy. If you have a HP account, you can sign in or you can create an account. You can also use the app without the account. Click on the skip account activation. You can enroll for the ink delivery or you can click on the do not enable ink delivery, skip offer. Accept auto updates for your printer. Skip printing page just to save the ink and click on the continue. So our printer is available in the app section and it is connected to our home Wi-Fi network. To confirm it, go to the printer control panel and you will see the wireless light is stable. That means it is connected. Now go to your Chromebook. To add the printer, click on this button and then go to the settings. In the settings, click on the device and then under the printers and scanners, click on the print icon. If you don't see your printer here, click on the other available printers. Select HP DeskJet 2900 series, click on the save. This will add the printer and it will come up here. If you want to do the scannings, then you have to go back. In the printers and scanners, click on the scan icon. On this window, click here and select HP DeskJet 2900 series. And now you can also click here to scan. So this way we can do the setup of the printer. That's the setup of the printer with the Chromebook, and you can start using it for wireless printing and scanning with that. Thanks for watching.